Hello, everybody. Now, this playlist is setting the foundation for emotional and psychological foundations of healing. So you'll find that there's a number of videos here that are aimed to help you rather than rushing into fixing yourself or looking to find out what's wrong with you or changing yourself. This series in this playlist invites you to just pause and be a little bit understanding of yourself, a little bit more accepting of yourself, have a little bit more compassion for yourself, and a little bit more presence with yourself. So healing begins with that, being with yourself, and not with effort, but with awareness and recognition. So you'll find that there's 5 videos, short videos, and some journaling prompts, which I hope you'll find useful. Bye for now.